Question 11g. The probability that a particular type of seedling produces red flowers is 1 over 5. 8 of these seedlings are planted. Part 1. Write an expression for the probability that exactly 3 of the 8 seedlings produce red flowers. Using the binomial theorem, the number of ways of obtaining exactly 3 seedlings producing red flowers out of a total of 8 is 8 choose 3. Now the probability that a seedling produces red flowers is 0.2, and the probability that a seedling does not produce red flowers is the complement of 0.2, which is 0.8. Hence, the probability that exactly 3 seedlings produce red flowers is equal to 8 choose 3 times 0.2 to the power of 3 times 0.8 to the power of 5. Part 2. Write an expression for the probability that none of the 8 seedlings produces red flowers. Applying the law of complements, the probability that any given seedling does not produce red flowers is equal to 1 minus the probability that a given seedling produces red flowers, which is equal to 1 minus 0.2, which equals 0.8. Hence, the probability that no seedling produces red flowers out of a total of 8 seedlings is equal to 0.8 to the power of 8. Part 3. Write an expression for the probability that at least one of the 8 seedlings produces red flowers. Similar to the strategy used to answer Part 2, by the law of complements, the probability that at least one seedling produces red flowers is equal to 1 minus the probability that no seedlings out of the 8 produce red flowers, which equals 1 minus 0.8 to the power of 8 from Part 2.